Hello, so what I have in front of me is the Aromatherapy with Eucalyptus Oil and tea extract. And it's actually a body lotion that specializes in focused. And you can see it's with natural essential oils. It's funny because I've looked up essential oils before in the past years ago, and I wanted to kind of look up other remedies or natural remedies for headaches, colds, mood. And I was like, okay, yeah, this all does this all does that. But I mean, I took that information, but I didn't do anything with it. It's like just went in one ear and out the other. I didn't retain that information. I didn't do anything. So when I ran into this, I was like, okay, I'm always looking for things to possibly like to improve my focus. Just because I'm not gonna say my focus is like bad, but I mean, I tend to get distracted. I'm not gonna lie. I do. So I'm kind of like looking for natural good things that's actually natural and better for you instead of taking things that I don't know what the heck they are. Can't go wrong when you sniffing eucalyptus oil or lavender oil, rosemary oil. You know what that stuff is. It's showing have one ingredient in it. But anyway, so when I'm applying this lotion on, it says, like when you use it the first thing in the morning after you shower, you massage your skin and breathe into it deeply. What I do is like when I get out of the shower, whatever, and I'm getting ready to put this lotion on, I would definitely sniff into it. I would sniff into it a lot of times. That's just me. I just want to just take my time, and that's the thing too. Take your time when you're deeply smelling this lotion or smelling essential oils, period. You want to take that nice natural inhale, into the oil, and then I'll kind of turn my head away so I'm not necessarily breathing all that stuff back into the lotion in my hands, if that makes sense. I don't know, it's just since I've seen like articles saying like don't breathe back into in a bottle. If you was to sniff something out of a bottle, you don't want to breathe that back into. You just kind of just breathe deeply and then just kind of like exhale somewhere else. Just really be calm and experience the smell of it, and just picture yourself being, what the benefits are. So with this lotion, that's definitely what I'll do. I'll breathe into it deeply. If I would have like one enough pump for like maybe one leg and I gotta go back and get me some more, I would do the same thing. I would sniff, move my head, apply it on, do the same thing, get some more pumps, sniff, move it, apply it on until my whole body is filled with this lotion. And this lotion's, I love the aroma. Like you can just tell I took a shower, I got some good lotion on. Today is going to be a good day. That's how I feel when I put this lotion on. I'm just fresh, I'm ready to go, I'm focused. Today is going to be a beautiful day. I feel amazing when I have this lotion. It's not that necessarily sticky. It's not really all that greasy. So that's a good thing about it. I actually got another one because it was like I could get a free gift. And I actually went traveling, so this may not pump out too well because I kind of use it, like one of those containers where you can take on a plane, and it's like 3 ounce or whatever. And since I did that, I kind of messed up the pump. Like it doesn't come out like it's supposed to. So I'll just show what it looks like, just so to show you that it's not like really watery, it's not really thick, it's just like in between. Yep, that I was fine when I said I got that extra bottle free. Nope. Oh my gosh, I'm such a goofball. Okay, so they don't have a place. They don't have where you can actually close up. That's fine. I mean, if you want to take this along with you. I believe they have like lotions like in the bottle. I think it's like a cream. They have a mist, a shower gel. Oh my gosh, and I'm smelling it right now. This stuff smells like, it's not like a very light smell, but it's not like heavy, but you definitely smell it once you put it in your hands. I'm just sniffing it right now. It smells so good. Oh my goodness. Okay, so you will definitely be feeling moisturized when you apply this lotion on. It doesn't have like that greasy feeling to it. It's not necessarily like real watery, but it is light. And I noticed when I was wearing shorts and I was looking down on my legs, I was like, my legs look very moisturized. Like it wasn't like that greasy effect. It looked like my legs was nicely moisturized. It looked like it was glowing, you know? So it's so funny because I noticed that yesterday, like last night. That's funny. But so you know, it has like a nice glow to it. Like I said, it's not really watery. It's not really greasy. I love this lotion. Love. See, not sticky. See? I love this lotion. Yep, bought 2. Well, no. Phrase that. Bought this one, got this one as a free gift. Yes, let's clarify that right now. Okay, so you can, you know, read the back of the ingredients of what it has and what else it's in there. So it's not just the eucalyptus oil and the tea extract. You got your shea butter, and or people may say, what is it, shea butter and shea butter and vitamin E. Those 2 are known to be body moisturizers, and so it just kind of says like what exactly it does. The tea extract helps you focus. Eucalyptus oil, it clears the mind. Go ahead and definitely like experiment this oil can do for you. Eucalyptus. I know it's good for, well, it says to clear the mind, but I believe it's like good for releasing like anxiety and stuff like that as well. So when I look for some natural remedies, definitely look this up. And I would definitely recommend this like for focusing and smelling good too.